Hello everyone. Welcome to the TopBuilder Solutions video to discuss our newsletter service. What we're going to do is we're going to discuss what is the TopBuilder Solutions Newsletter Service, what does it do for you, and then we'll quickly show it to you. Okay, so what is the TopBuilder Solutions News Service? Well, first of all, it's really your newsletter, not a TopBuilder Solutions newsletter. So with TopBuilder Solutions, you get your own branded and personalized newsletter. The newsletter is integrated with the TopBuilder Solutions CRM or lead management module, which makes it really handy because any customers or any sales opportunities or prospects that you add to TopBuilder CRM is also automatically added to your newsletter. And then when they receive your newsletter, they open your newsletter, they click on links, they reply to it, you see all that side by side with the history of your prospects and your customers, not just in the newsletter reports. The branding that we do for you uses your graphics and your styles and your messaging from your website so that it represents your brand just like your brand is represented on your website. We have a library of professionally written construction-related topics. We're up to about 75 topics at this point. You have the ability to access any of those topics. You can edit those topics, and you can share those topics on your social media sites like Facebook. Each month, you'll go in and you'll select or edit a topic. We pick one for you, but if you don't like it, you can choose another one. We'll send you an alert when it's time to check the topic, and then we send it out, and then we manage the whole process for you once we receive your approval that the newsletter is ready to go. Now, you don't have to send us an approval. We can just do it automatically every month. Okay, and then we monitor and track the results of the newsletter. So who opened it, who clicked on links, who unsubscribed, did it bounce back, did we have a bad email address, or even if we have a duplicate. That's all tracked and reported back to you, and again is also in there with your history for your contacts and your customers and your leads or your opportunities. And then of course we have reporting around all of this so that you can run reports against your newsletter to see what's going on. Okay, so let's go take a look. So I'm going to log into TopBuilder Solutions, and you'll see right away on the dashboard, okay, that I have an alert, a reminder that says, hey, your newsletter's due to go out tomorrow, and here is the topic. You'll also get an email with a link, and you can just click on that link and go into TopBuilder Solutions and check on your newsletter. Okay, so we do remind you when it's due. And then you can go into the newsletter homepage by clicking on the newsletter menu option. And on the homepage, you can see the history of all the newsletters that went out, how your subscriber base is growing or shrinking, what happened with that topic, what was the topic name, how many subscribers were on your newsletter, did I have an error? And that doesn't mean like a bug, that means I'm missing an email address, I have a duplicate email address, I have a bad email address. And then you can track bounces, opens, clicks, and your open rate and click rate. And then you can drill down directly into that to see what happened. Who read my email, who clicked on the links. And then again, you can go in real quickly. I'll look at Aaron Jackson here, and you can see in the history, okay, the newsletter topic was sent, they read it, and they clicked on the link. And it even shows you what link did they click on from your newsletter. Okay, going back to the newsletter homepage, and you can see how fast this is, by the way. From here, you can manage your subscribers. You can add, remove, and unsubscribe your subscribers from your newsletter. You can edit the next edition. You can preview your newsletter, and then you can edit what we call the sidebar, which is a little promotional section on your newsletter that allows you to add whatever's going on with your company, maybe news and announcements, and then it's added to your newsletter as it goes out. Okay, so I can go in and I can edit my next edition. We can see here that I can go in with this editor and change the edition. I can add links, I can add images, or I can leave it as is. I can pick a new topic from the list of topics right here, or I can clear out the newsletter and start over and write my own. I can preview the newsletter, and this is what it would look like assuming your top choice construction. I have my branding on there. I have links to my social media pages. I have the actual topic itself, and with nice graphics and everything. And I have my own little promotional section on the bottom, you know, the top choice construction difference, and, you know, information about how to get to your website or to contact you, which is really, really nice. And then down here at the bottom, this is how they would unsubscribe. Now, we track the unsubscribes. We'll tell you in your newsletter report that they unsubscribed. And then again, it goes in the history behind the contact record or the account to say, hey, this person unsubscribed to your newsletter. It gives you the date they unsubscribed and which newsletter they unsubscribed to. And that way, when you're working with your prospects or your customers, you can see that and have that information at your fingertips. So that's the summary of our newsletter. Again, if you have any more questions, please reach out to us and let us know. We'd love to set up a demo for you or answer any questions you have. Thanks again.